Industries make the items we use in everyday life, provide the planet with food, transport people and products on land and the oceans, and provide life-saving technology. The one common thread across all these sectors is that they all need lubrication and cleaning. All mechanized technologies require something that forms the boundary between and protects moving parts, and then something to remove that boundary substance so a fresh layer may be applied. Studies have shown that 50% of all lubricants end up in the environment. With the oil industry producing 2.8 trillion liters of lubricants per year, that means that 1.4 trillion liters are being lost into the environment every year. That is enough to coat the whole planet with oil over 10,000 times every year. Since the mid-1990s, there has been a concerted effort by scientists and governments to identify the most harmful product components and replace those that cause harm to animal life on the planet. The 21st century has seen a burgeoning awareness of the effects of dangerous chemicals used in or the result of products and fuel, with government and insurance regulations enforcing environmental consideration for all activity across all industries. In 2014, Airesun Global Limited was founded. Based on an adaptable technology capable of producing a vast array of efficient lubricant and cleaning products for use in all industries. Our products use various agricultural seed oils and proprietary safe additives without any petroleum or petrochemical components. All products made are 100% safe and non-toxic without any net impact on the environment, and are at least as efficient as petroleum-based products. Every liter of Airesun product used by industries offsets 37.5 kilograms of CO2. So at full production, Airesun mini refineries offset up to 200,000 tons of CO2 per year. Airesun has knowledgeable representatives throughout Europe, Scandinavia, the Middle East, Sub-Sahara Africa, and North America. We have taken the time to engage true industry experts who understand end-use applications and the subtleties within the many industries we service. Airesun Global, making the world a safer place.